Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Adobe fonts to your Squarespace website. Let's get started. To begin, open your browser and go to the Adobe Fonts website. Then sign in with your Adobe account. Once you're logged in, click on Browse All Fonts. Here you can explore the entire Adobe font library. You can also use the filters to find specific styles, such as serif, sans serif, modern, or futuristic fonts. When you find a font you like, click on it to open the font page. On this page, you will see the different styles or weights available, such as regular, bold, light, or italic. Now click Add to Web Project. If this is your first time using Adobe fonts for a website, Adobe will ask you to create a web project. Give the project a name, for example, the name of your website, and then click Create. After creating the project, Adobe will generate a web embed code for your fonts. You can edit the project later and add more font styles if needed, but for now, simply copy this code snippet. Next, go to your Squarespace website dashboard. Open your site settings, then go to Pages, scroll down, and find Custom Code. From there, open Code Injection. Inside Code Injection, paste the Adobe Fonts code into the header section and then click Save. It's important to know that Code Injection is only available on certain Squarespace plans. If you don't see this option, you may need to upgrade to at least the core plan or higher. Once the code is added, your website will be able to load the Adobe font. Now go back to the Adobe Fonts page and copy the CSS font family code provided there. Then return to Squarespace and open Custom CSS. Paste the code there and apply to the text elements you want. For example, you can apply to your headings like this: H1, font family, your font name, sans serif. You can also apply it to H2, H3, H4, or other text elements if you want the font to appear across multiple headings or sections of your website. And that's it. Your Adobe font should now be active on your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching.